The story of our beautiful planet Earth is too big to get whole without those two shining stars, the sun and the moon. They bring light and warmth to our daytime lives and watch over our nights to shape the oceans and guide long-lost travelers. Together, they're more than just bright stuff in the sky. They're cosmic mates who have been captivating our ancestors for ages. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The sun is more than just a glowing ball of gas. It's our true star. A massive ball of chaotic plasma that's 1,000,000 times more massive than Earth. Its gravity holds everything else in place, from the planets to the green plants that make life possible. Without the sun, everything would disappear into a cold, quiet silence. But the sun isn't always a friend to us. It sneaks out with streams of charged particles called the solar wind, which can really mess with Earth's magnetic shield. Even though we depend on the sun for almost everything we do, it can be a bit tricky too. Our calendars, harvests, and our sense of time all come from here. When you look up at a sunrise or sunset, you're actually looking at the same thing that shaped entire civilizations long ago. From ancient Egyptians building temples along the rising sun, to the Mayans keeping track of the sun with incredible precision, it's clear that the sun is much more than just a light in our skies. It takes the pulse of the Earth, heartbeat of our world. If the sun is our heart, then the moon is our soulmate. It's Earth's gentle guardian, following its orbit for more than 4 billion years. The moon's gravity pulls the ocean's tides together, and it helps shape the early life that found its way onto land. Without the moon, Earth might be a chaotic place full of violent storms and unstable climates. And the moon keeps everything in balance, making Earth stay stable. In this little secret, our moon is even more fascinating than we might think. Its far side is still hidden from us until recent space missions revealed its rugged landscape and ancient craters. It holds clues about the early solar system, and even today, scientists have debates about how the moon came to be. Was it created from a massive impact or captured from space? The answers are still writing in the ancient dust of its plains. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more interesting smart bites. So, the sun and the moon aren't just two bright points in the sky, right? They're actually part of something super cool that's happening all over our planet. They work together like a dance to shape everything that's living on Earth, including us. When the sun and the moon are in the right place, we see something called an eclipse. This happens when the Earth is in between them, so everything looks really weird for a little bit. Who knew the sun and the moon could have such an important role in our lives? In ancient times, people realized that these celestial bodies had magical powers that could help them remember important things, like when to plant crops or celebrate special occasions. Even today, people all over the world come to see a total solar eclipse. For a short time, everything's black and cold, and then you see the sun's super bright core. The way the moon orbits Earth isn't constant, and it can go a few inches closer or further away every year. In a few million years, we'll probably see total solar eclipses more often than not. While they're amazing to watch, we can't rely on them to show us what life on Earth means anymore. Plus, some people believe that our sun is actually a giant dragon that wants to eat the Earth. The sun and the moon are more than just two big stars. Sometimes, they're symbols of life and death, balance and chaos, or even male and female energy. They play a crucial role in how everything grows and evolves. Sometimes we think about the sun and the moon like they're simply objects in space, but they're much more. They help create the patterns that make our days and nights special, and they affect the oceans and the weather. Plus, in many cultures around the world, these stars were used to explain important things in their language and art. So, next time you're up really high in the sky, take a moment to realize that you're not just looking at two bright points. You're looking at the reason why Earth keeps making sense. You're seeing the cosmic balance that keeps our world alive and thriving. And you're seeing a reminder that even the biggest stars and moons are part of a whole bigger story that's happening all over the universe. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel.